AI generators are a game changer in the content creation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another AI thing? But hold up, because this isn't just any AI. This is your ticket to the content creation big leagues. So, picture this. You've got a killer idea for a video, but you're short on time, budget, or maybe both. With just a click of a few buttons, you can create top-tier videos in real time. Right off the bat, you can make high-quality content in any language or modify it to your needs. But here's where it gets juicy, the money-making potential. You heard that right. These cool toys easily give you a cash-making machine. You could build a massive YouTube following in no time, or better yet, sell these AI-generated videos on platforms like Fiverr. There's a huge market for video content, and you could be cashing in big time. InVideo AI. So we'll be checking out InVideo, a high-quality video creation software leading the AI revolution. You can easily sign up and get started on the website. As you can see, the interface is very user-friendly and easy to get around. So we'll use the AI feature, and here you can describe the type of video you need. And that's not all. InVideo has this cool feature that lets you edit videos after they are generated by simply typing what you need. So whether you're looking to become the next YouTube sensation, start a lucrative side hustle, or just up your content game, AI video generators are your new best friend. And worry not. This AI tool provides superb quality that matches real 4K videos. Unlike most fuzzy AI images, it's as simple as thinking of an idea for a video, putting that idea on paper, or in this case, online, and with a click of a button, you've generated a video. You can use your own voice, which can be changed to speak any language shown on the screen, or you can use their AI options, which can do the same thing. To get a better experience, you should join the beta program, which gives you access to experimental features that are just dope. Before we start, let's tweak some settings to unlock the full potential of this money-making machine. Click your profile in the top right, then go to Settings. Turn on the beta features. This gives you access to experimental new features that can boost your content game. Also, make sure you're using version 2.0 of the model. Now, let's input a script. This is where the magic happens. You can get very specific with what you want the AI to generate. If you're not sure where to start, check out the workflows and plugins area for inspiration. Whether you're creating explainer videos, product reviews, or even entire video courses, this tool has got you covered. For example, if I need a video on traveling, I type in the prompt and describe it in detail. So I'll just write, create a YouTube video script on the best travel destinations in Asia and make it a compelling and aesthetic outlook. After you click the enter key, the video is automatically generated after analysis with the matching stock footage. See that? In just minutes, we've created a high-quality video. And the best part? You can easily edit and refine the video right here on the platform. Not happy with something? No problem. You can give it commands like lower the music a little, or even change the language to Italian. It's that simple to create content for international audiences. One of the coolest features is the ability to clone your voice. Imagine creating videos in multiple languages without speaking a word of them. This could open up global markets for your content. InVideo 2.0 also lets you customize the video by adding your script and changing the settings to whatever you like. However, you should note that voice cloning and enhanced video tools are premium features. You can choose the audience that you want to watch the video. For instance, travelers. The editing capabilities are incredible too. You can tweak the script, change the media, add text, or even add multiple speakers. This level of customization means you can create unique, high-quality videos for clients on Fiverr or other freelance platforms. When you're happy with your video, just hit download. Depending on your plan, you can remove watermarks and AI branding for a truly professional look. Speaking of plans, if you're serious about turning this into a money-making venture, I highly recommend checking out the paid options. The Plus plan, in particular, offers great value for aspiring content creators and entrepreneurs. InVideo AI is a goldmine that can't afford to miss out on. While everyone else is scratching their heads trying to figure out complicated video editing software, you'll be miles ahead with this perfect tool. You get to create high-quality videos in just minutes instead of days. Now, there are a ton of other tools out there, but some might not be quite as good. Some good ones include CapCut and Canva, but make sure you do your own research. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and start your journey today. And hey, if this video just changed your life, you're welcome by the way. Stay tuned for more updates. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on more game-changing tips like this.